How to change Roblox privacy settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. These are privacy settings. If you click on Content Maturity, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, as you can see, choose a content maturity level for your account. You can slide this wherever you want. Another is communication. In communication, there are three options: experience chat, party, and camera input. If you click on any one of them, it is basically the chat should be everyone or no one. Another is visibility and private servers. It's visibility for your private servers. Others are trading and inventory, ads preferences, blocked users, and also account deactivation and deletion if you want to deactivate or delete your account. And these are the settings of privacy settings. This is how to change Roblox privacy settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.